Today, Zoom announced the Zoom app for Apple TV 4K. So seeing as I was working from home, I decided to download it and install it through the App Store on my Apple TV. Once I downloaded it, I was asked to either sign in via the browser or via email. Then I'm asked to connect my iPad or iPhone for continuity camera. And seeing as I am already logged into my Apple TV, it uses my user profile, my Apple ID. Once I've connected my iPad, in this instance, as you can see, the iPad camera and microphone are being utilized. And now I can join a call or I can start a new meeting. I decided to trial it on a call that I had to have with my ANZ team. So here's what it looks like in thumbnail view on my 85-inch TV. I highly recommend you give it a go yourself.